and on the other side of the road, going the other way, somebody had a crash because they were looking at me and they drove into the back of the car in front of me. But there was a policeman in sight, and he came over and to talk to me, and lo and behold, it was Sergeant Skeggs, and who taught me how to drive at the police driving school in London. He found me on the road. I'd caused the accident, but there was nothing to do with it. It was someone's carelessness. Just telling them I bought this car. This is my first car, and I bought it for £35.
Well,
And I've been driving it for 70 years.
what's it worth now?
I think I could get my money back. You can't say that on every car.
Wow. So
These sorts of cars you couldn't put a price on, Brandon. They're sort of priceless. You can't really put a price on them.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be fun to drive.
The side lights run on kerosene, and the tail light does too, and the headlights run on gas.
That's what Rolls Royce.
And the gas comes from a generator here.
Yeah.
Well, we drip water on calcium carbide, which is just the rock,
Yeah.
and it produces acetylene gas, and it goes down this pipe, and then you light the headlights with a match. And if someone going the other way thinks your lights are too bright, and they are very bright, but I've got no way of dipping them. So if they put their lights up onto me, all I can do is to turn off the gas, and then I have to get out with the match and light them again.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of a nuisance.
Yeah.